Hello, my Facebook friends. So, I just want to share something with you. You know how when you have to do something, you know it's important, you want to do it, you have to do it, you feel like, compelled to do it, and it's going to help you in the end. It's going to help a whole lot of people, but you just don't want to do it? Well, that's exactly where I am right now. There's something that I have to do. I have to reach out and ask somebody for some help, and I don't want to do it. And rather than letting the old demons get me and pull me down into, you know, going and eating and falling into a food coma and all of that, I'm just going to use a little bit of tapping. Tapping is emotional freedom technique. It's an amazing stress relief method, and what it does is it takes the edge off of your anxiety, your emotions. So in this case, I don't want to do this thing. I don't want to make this call. So, by tapping on different parts of your face and hands, actually, I don't have three hands, so we'll just do one. I'm not going to do the hands. Um, what you do is you send a signal to the brain to pair whatever anxiety ridden thought that you have with the awareness that it's going to be okay. You're going to be fine. You're going to get through it. So, I want you to think about something that you don't want to do. And I'll think about this thing that I don't want to do. Just think about it and let your thoughts just roll over you as you follow me. Tap on your head. Tap on the inner corner of your eyebrow. Tap on the outer corner of your eyebrow. Tap under your eye. Tap under your nose. Tap on your chin. It's called the collarbone. Oh, the sore spot. Tap on your head. And just follow along with me. Say, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. I don't want to. I'm not going to do this. You can't make me do this. I don't want to do this. I'm putting my foot down and I'm not going to do this. I'm not doing this. That's it. I'm just not doing this. And now, I just want you to be aware when your thoughts start to change. Because I'm noticing that my thoughts are changing. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, this isn't such a big deal. I'm making more out of this than it really is. If I do this, if I go through these few moments or minutes of discomfort, there's so much that I can gain from this. I'm tough enough. I'm strong enough. I can do this. I can say what I need. I can say what's on my mind. Nobody's going to stop me from saying what's on my mind. Well, I'm actually feeling very comfortable and now motivated to make this phone call. That before I started tapping seemed like it was going to get put off until Monday. I don't know about you, and I don't know about what it is that you're thinking about that you need to do. But you'll notice that if there's a bigger benefit for you, that overrides the discomfort, then you're probably now aware of how much doing this thing can benefit you. And as you continue to tap on these points, your brain will continually highlight the reasons why doing this will make you actually feel better. So, I feel really good about doing this. I will check in with you later and see how you feel about doing whatever it is that you've got going on. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.